Welcome to Cruise Control.
All right, welcome Cruise Control fans. My name's Eric, and this is a 2022 Toyota GR86 in the beautiful Neptune blue. I mean, come on, we gotta take a moment. Look at it. Woo. All right, I'll jump back in there. This thing's just so pretty. We're gonna start off by talking about some of my favorite design elements. We have a beautiful black wheel that's right here. And I really like the black wheel because it sets off from this blue. I would just paint this caliper that's back behind here. This is called your brake caliper. I would paint that this blue in whatever kind of special paint that I could with that. I like the vents here. They're real, by the way. As you can tell, my fingers that are going through there, right? So that means the air, the hot air that was being trapped inside here gets to escape. Plus up front, this one's a real vent down through here, so it takes cold air. So right in through here, it takes that cold air, sends it to the tire back through here, and it cools off those brake pads. So then that way, when you're doing all that fun kind of driving, whether if it's behind your favorite mountain road, or if you're on the track, it helps cool that off. Nice work, Toyota. Let's go to the front. I like this mesh grille better than what's on the BRZ. Granted, these two cars are very similar. They're damn near identical. However, there's a few differences, and this grille right here is one of the biggest differences. Let's move to this headlight. I think it's a really sharp design. I actually believe you could probably swap the Toyota logo, put a Porsche badge on here, and this would be the world's most affordable brand new Porsche. If you look, the design element, there's no chrome here, right? So they're not breaking anything out on the design. So it's staying black on blue. I love the side skirts that are coming through here. It's built into it, looks gorgeous. The hump that's back here, the haunch, isn't as pronounced on the Supra, but I still really like it. This duckbill spoiler you can actually see from the inside of the car. I really like it. Down here on the bottom, we have functional, real dual exhaust. In today's world, this is actually a nice thing. Not many cars come with real dual exhaust anymore, so that's nice. You got your light down here. GR stands for Gazoo Racing. If you guys are new to Toyota, 86 is your model. Taillights are simple, but I like the little bar that goes across. Good symmetry. I like the way it looks. We're gonna do a short little drive in this brand new 2022 Toyota GR86. I'm gonna give you my initial driving impressions. Now, this is the automatic, so I can't give you my full review until I get to drive a manual, but spoiler alert, I like it. All right, so we're in track mode right now, and what that's gonna enable me to do is I can rev it out a little bit more, the throttle response is a little bit better, the engine note is a little bit louder, and really, the automatic is no longer a penalty box. Used to, you know, it'd be terrible to get the automatic in this, and yes, I still prefer the manual, but let me go ahead and show you what it can do. Oh yeah, there it revs out. Woo, man, when it shifts, it's such a crisp shift. It just goes like this. I love it. It's not a dual clutch automatic, but you know what? I actually think it shifts smoother and with more snap than the Toyota Supra, honestly. No, it's not as fast. Ooh, I love the way it sounds. Yes, it's a sound generator and you can disable it, but it actually gives it a good sound. All right. I'm gonna put it back into drive. We'll put it back into normal mode. And we'll show you how quiet it can be as well. It can be just a nice little comfortable cruiser. And honestly, for the price, I think it's one of the best deals that's out on the market right now. I love the steering wheel. It fits really well in the hand. These paddles, if you're gonna get the automatic, they feel really good. All the buttons on the steering wheel are easy to get to. These climate control buttons, they're really big and easy to get to. These little toggle switches, honestly, very ergonomic, very smartly done. I really like it. The interior quality is a huge improvement over that FRS, which if you guys want to see that FRS video, I'll go ahead and put it right now up above. So check that out, see what you think about the first generation, but I believe it has come a big way with this new one. All right, so this is gonna be my lovely wife driving the 2022 GR86. This is possibly one of the next cars that we get.
Ooh, I do like that it has a nice pick-me-up.
Absolutely.
I don't have to do very...
You're clear on our side.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're very welcome. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's fun.
Right?
It's nice and...
It just wants to play.
Oh, I love
It reminds me of like a little puppy.
Yeah, this feels amazing. Steering wheel feels nice and smooth and comfortable. I like the way these seats curve my body.
Absolutely. I think these seats are fantastic. They're not quite as comfortable as the Type R seats, which you didn't get a chance to sit in, but
No.
they're as good as at least my seats right now, if not maybe even a little better than my seats in my SI. Yeah. Woo!
Put it right here.
That's okay. Keep going. We'll do another roundabout. We'll turn back around. You're fine.
I was like, oh, I gotta be cool, man. Cool. There's a lot of cars around, but this is nice. Like, honestly, I just would rather go when there is like an open place and just
Absolutely.
let this one breathe.
It wants to play.
Oh, it's fun. I can definitely, I like the way it manages and also the features that it has for our state's climate.
Yeah, the snow mode.
Can't go wrong.
Right? That's what I'm saying. This thing is nice. I do wish there was a splash of color on the interior.
Me too.
So if I had to say a negative, it's a little bit too black on black, but you know what? That's easily fixed. We can do that ourselves.
I was thinking I'd throw in, like, if this was my car, unless this is going to be your car, if this is going to be my car, I'd throw in some LED lights for fun.
Well, blue
And
LED
inside.
lights on the inside would be fun, even if it's my car. So
Okay,
I agree.
like,
I'm on board.
I'm like,
I
all
wish
right,
that this
we'll
stripe
do
right
this.
here on the seats, I wish this was blue to match
Wouldn't
the
that
outside.
be fun?
I think that would be really slick.
I love the color.
Oh, this
The
one.
way the seat also curves, all of it. I'm just feeling it all.
I absolutely agree. This is one fun little car. I'm actually having more fun in this than I did the Supra. And the Supra costs more. Yes, it's faster, and the engine does sound better, but I actually like the seats better in this. I like the handling better in this. I like the transmission, even the automatic. I think this is a better automatic than that one. I think the paddles are cool. Pull it. There you go. All right, Jess, you got to be in the Miata. You got this. Which one has your vote right now?
This vehicle is way more comfortable. I feel that it has a really great pick-me-up for being an automatic. And just the style, what it can do for our family, it would just be perfect, actually.
I agree. You guys will have to keep watching to see which one we get. Leave your comments down below. This, the Type R, the GR Corolla, or the Miata are the ones that we're shopping for. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a good one.